Hi, my name is Deon. Today I want to speak about time. Time is such a crucial thing in our lives. Everything is organized around time. If it wasn't for time, it would have been chaos. You wouldn't know what to do next and so forth. In Proverbs it actually states there is a time for everything. There's a time to live, time to die, time for everything. God was very specific in how He made time here on earth. The reason why I say that is He created everything in 6 days, and the seventh day He rested. So His creation is 7 days. And isn't it interesting to know that a week consists out of 7 days, and a day consists out of 24 hours, a year out of 365 days. As soon as you look at another planet's rotation, things change quite a bit. In Venus, one Venus day is more than 100 days of Earth days. And as you go to the other planets, some days is like in Saturn, a day is like 16 hours. But here specifically on Earth, it is 24 hours. And it is so specific. God made it so specific. If the Earth was bigger than it is, a day would have been much longer. And if the Earth was closer to the Sun, then a year would have been shorter. If it was further away from the Sun, then a year would have been longer. And that is actually for supporting of life as well. If we were too close, it would have been too hot for life. If we were too far, it would have been too cold. So God is extremely specific in how He does things, and it's spot on. We also got a lifespan, and our lifespan compared to the whole picture is very, very short. It is but a moment, and then it's gone. The other thing I want to say about time is that I truly believe that time works differently in God's kingdom. I don't actually think there's a concept of time like we have. I have to be at that time, I have to do this. I got so many hours to do this. I don't think it's that way. Time, God lives out of time. And I think that is how it will be. Because I try to put my mind around living forever, but that is not how it is. That is not how it works. Time works different in that in that dimension, or whatever you want to call it. That is why God said one day is like 1,000 years, and 1,000 years is like one day. So it tells me that time is not the same there. It's totally different. Okay, but my actual point here about time is that we only got a limited time. It passes, it's moving. Nowadays time will move. People say that it is like the time has been sped up somehow. And maybe there's truth in that, I don't know. I just know that time is actually flying. And some of us, we act as if we got eternity here. We do not have eternity. It is actually short, and it goes. The thing is, we will get to a time when it's the end of your life, when your hourglass is empty, and then The thing is, you will stand in front of God and He will ask you, what did you do with the time that I gave you? And that is a that's a heavy question that you have to answer. So we must use our time wisely. I myself is a culprit of not actually using my time to the best that I can. But we as humans, we're not perfect. We have to try to do better every day, 1% better every day, to such a point that you will say to yourself, my time I'm using wisely. This is actually the most valuable thing that we have. Other stuff you can get, you can make, you can get more of. But time, we do not just get more of. The time that's gone is gone. You can't just go and grab it again. It doesn't work that way. So it's valuable, and I thank you for watching this small video. Like, subscribe, and most of all, thank you for your precious time in watching this. Bye bye.